Well, good morning. Welcome to Debbie's Back Porch. I had planned to make sugar-free, gluten-free peanut butter cookies today. And then my great-granddaughter showed up and she decided she wanted to help. So I'm more interested in her today than I am the cookies. So I'm going to let you watch us make cookies together. Let's get cooking. Oh. Are you posing?
Yes. I got my waist out.
Okay, we got Athena. What's here? What's this?
Butter.
Peanut butter. Did we make that peanut butter? Yes, we made that peanut butter. What have I got here?
Sugar.
Well, it could be sugar. It could be Splenda. This is Splenda.
Oh, this.
Let's see if Grammy can mix it together.
I want to show it too.
Supposed to mix it all together.
Over.
You gonna stir?
Stir.
Stir, 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 stir.
And see, it's like.
Okay.
You're all looking.
You washed your hands, didn't you?
Yep.
Okay.
And then what's next?
Well, you gotta stir this some more. That's
No.
not stirred enough.
Yeah, I want to stir a little more. I'm not going to lick it to see what it does.
Yeah, you're not gonna lick it. No, we'll wait till it's done.
Yeah.
Then you can lick the bowl. Move your hand. Move your hand. Let me finish it up here just a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to work this.
Now,
I like helping you.
I like for you to help me. Okay, you want to get the vanilla? That's the vanilla. Pour it in. Very carefully pour it right in the middle. Okie doke. That's good. You think you could pour the egg in?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll pour that egg in.
Whoop, whoop.
Okay, well,
It's okay.
that's okay. We got about half an egg. We'll just get us another one. Hold on. We got the egg now. You want to stir it?
Sure.
See if you can. You know, might be easier to do it with a fork. You try that. Does the fork work? Okay. Let Grammy finish it up, okay? I think I'm going to use the fork.
Okay, I was done.
You hold that. Well, okay, you can lick that. I'm done with it. You go sit in the chair.
Okay.
Well, wait, it's got egg on it. Maybe you ought just wait until Grammy gets done.
When I go with my hair and then I'm going to help you. If we're going to get with the quarter this. Come help me with this.
You don't have to help anymore. That's okay.
Let's really help you.
You can watch.
You can just watch.
You can watch.
Oh my. I'm going to help you.
It smells good. Smell it?
You smell good, Dina?
Okay. Now we got to put the baking soda in.
And do not like it bakes.
Baking soda, yeah.
Will you stir it?
No, Grammy's gonna stir it.
Oh, I like that
It's
way?
kind of hard to stir. It's pretty thick.
Whoa!
Careful, Dina.
I think our homemade peanut butter is a little stronger.
You come over here with me. You can't be fine over there. I want you to come over here.
No, I'm okay right here. I can see you. You don't need me right next to you,
What's
sweetie.
it?
It's a scale.
Want you to put it on my hand?
No.
I can't put it on my hand. I can't put it on. Put it on with it. And put this for Ryan. Put this for Ryan. And Grammy, what's this? I'll do it.
Not yet. It's not time yet. Cookies on that.
And we're going to cook it?
Yeah, and then we're going to cook it. So you wait right there.
Why are you going to dump it? I like cookies. Daddy, you like cookies, huh?
Yeah.
All the balls will weigh out can be. Oh, and where's the big ball? That's a big pages. I can't see me.
You want people to see you?
Huh?
Okay. And Grammy's going to make little balls.
I want to help you make it with a ball.
You know, I'm going to do the little balls. Because Grammy washed her hands.
I wash my hands too.
Well, Grammy washed her hands particularly well.
Oh, well, I want to do it this time.
Just wait. I've got something you can do. We're going to put these on a piece of parchment paper.
I want to do it too.
I'm going to let you do it when it comes time. I'm going to let you put a design in them.
It's my.
No, Grammy's doing this part.
But I want the other part. I heard a plane.
I hear a plane too.
Oh, why that's a huge one?
Is that a huge one?
She made a huge bowl.
It's too dry to.
Bring through it.
Yeah, it's too dry to scoop it up in my scoop, so I'm having to do it
He want to go
by
take my
hand.
shoes off. Go take my shoes off. You're going to lay here. When I get bigger, get to put it right there. Right, Grammy?
Okay.
And when I put it right there, I can fry him. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, you didn't do anything.
I just.
It's okay.
Why that he? What? Well, I just want to put it in my hand. Hey, Glenn, look.
No, don't put your fingers in it.
Just want to see it.
And you don't need to eat it until they're cooked because it's got a raw egg in it. So we don't eat raw eggs.
I just want to make you warm.
Okay.
Ricky worm. How I roll you. Whoop. You like Ricky worms?
I think so. I'm not real sure what you're saying. Tell me again.
You like Ricky worms. Make it tiny little flat. And just do it. And do it like that. And then you put here. Right?
I guess. Now I've got my oven on. You have to let Grammy put them in the oven.
Yeah.
Because
Some more here.
you're 4 years old and you don't do the oven. You don't put your fingers in
This
there.
one told it.
No, you don't put your fingers in there. You didn't. You have to have specially. You have to have specially clean hands to put them in the food.
Okay, I'm going to clean my hands.
Well,
Where's I going to clean my hands?
okay.
Where?
Well, you washed them. They're just, and I'm going to let you do something. They're okay. They're just not okay for in the food.
Hey, Grammy, I'm going to hold the bowl, okay?
Well, you can't lick the bowl because it's got raw egg in it. Okay? You can't eat it till it's cooked. So, but when it's cooked, I've got 8 cookies here. How many are you going to eat?
2.
2.
Oh, well.
Okay, 2 sounds good. Now it's your turn. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'll do one and then you do one. Here's your fork. Move back a little bit. I don't want you to fall. Okay, now watch. See, this is my fork. I'm just going to make a push.
Push.
And then a push.
I'm going to push this one.
Okay, that's called a crosshatch. You having trouble with that? Here, you hold it. Okay, whoops, not quite so heavy. Turn it this way. Turn it like this.
My turn this way.
Like this. There you go. There you go. That's good. That's good. Not so hard. But Remy, make it stick together again.
Yes.
Okay, you do it. You do it one way. There you go. And I'll do it the other.
I'm going to do this one.
We're a team, aren't we?
I'm going to just do it this way.
Not so hard. That's good. That's good.
The swaps.
Now do it the other way.
I'll do it that.
Now hold on and I'll turn the cookie sheet around so you can get to these. Hold on. Move. Okay. You do it one way, not so hard. That's hard enough. See, you made the little imprint there, and I'll do it the other. I'm going to straighten them up just a little bit. Okay, now you do it on this one, just not so hard.
Alright.
Not so hard. That's good, right there. Now let Grammy mash it down a little bit the other way.
I'm going to do this one.
Okay, hold on. Don't put your fingers on them.
And I do this one.
Okay, whichever one you want to do. Go right ahead.
You do that one.
You do like that. There you go. Now let Grammy do it. Let me do my way.
I do this one.
And you do that one. And then I'll do it my way. Okay. Those look like peanut butter cookies. Now I'm going to put them in the oven. And the temperature is set at 350. And we're going to let them cook for about 8 minutes, okay?
And we put it on the stove.
Then we'll have cookies. Hold on. Don't touch it. Don't get too close. Are you watching them? Are they cooking? Are they almost done?
I'm going to get a tail watch.
No, that's okay. Okay, look, Athena, our cookies are done. Be sure you don't touch that. It's really, really hot, okay? You know what we do now? We put them on a rack and let them cool.
I'm going to put my toys in there, okay?
While the cookies cool, you're going to play with your toys?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's a good idea. We're going to let these cool about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. And then you can have a cookie and milk, okay?
You guys just come back and then cool.
How many? Okay, when they cool off.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Athena's going to wait with her and play with her toys while they cool off. We'll be back. And of course, when they were cool, she was off doing whatever 4-year-olds do. It involved a cell phone and a robot, and she decided her mother should have a cookie. Okay,
No, it's really good.
this is your mama.
It's good. You like it? It tastes like peanut butter. They're soft. Let me have some.
So they're not crunchy.
No,
They're soft.
but they're good.
Those are creepy. Oh, Mommy.
Stephen, do you want some?
Athena made cookies for her mom. Okay, thank you. We've got cookies. Well, thank you for watching my cookie making adventure with Athena. Couple notes. These were really sweet. The next time I might cut the Splenda back to about 2/3 cup and add about a tablespoonful of cornstarch. Still would be gluten-free. They're very good. They're chewy. They're not crisp. But boy, if you're diabetic, this is a nice little treat. Thank you for joining us on Debbie's Back Porch. Athena thanks you too. Hope to see you again tomorrow.